Hello, welcome to this video all about layer parenting in Animate. So this is a pretty cool animation I've made here, so you can take a look, just see what it looks like. You can see we've got these circles, they're all going towards a center spot. This stage is 640 by 480, and this center spot, as you might imagine, is 320, 240. You can take a look here at this spot here. If we look at the location, it'd be unsurprising to see that's exactly the location, 320 by 240. So what I would like to do is, for this rectangle here, as is to be linked, to have this be the parent and the rectangle be the child, and the rectangle to end up on the side of the stage here. We have a width here of 100 of the rectangle. So to think about how we might do that, we have to look at the coordinates here. So 695, 240. So I've put it just slightly five away from the edge of the stage. So to give you an idea of why that number is 695, 240 is an obvious number to see, but the 695 is the stage is 640. Then we have the width, half of the width, this is again is 100 wide, is 50. And then I've added an additional 5 to get it slightly far away from the stage there. So if we want this to be to completely link up, and as we move this to the left, for this to be on the right hand side of the stage, we need to look at the difference between the 695 and the 320. And that difference is 375. So what we can do is we can work out where this should be. So the way to do that is we need to add 375 to the 695. And that is going to yield a number of 1070. Then we need to account for the width of the rectangle. Because if I just pulled it directly across here, this rectangle will end up in the same position that this is in, which is not what we want. We want it to be in, and we also remember we have the little 5 here, so we need it to be 105 less than the 1070. So that is going to result in a number of 965. Okay. So that is now in position. So what we can do then is we can look at this, which is the parenting view. So the way to use the parenting view is we need to drag the child to the parent. So, well, there's different ways to do it. One, you could do this. You could just drag it across like that. And you'll see immediately that the rectangle is going to move there. The other way to do it is we could do set parent. We just left click on the grey box there, and we'll set the parent as the red circle. It does the same thing. But you'll see now that as this goes in like that, and it goes perfectly into place. So you can take a look at the bigger picture there. So thanks for watching.